One machine integrates three core functions: power supply, heat gun, and soldering iron. Traditional tools require the purchase of 3 devices to complete repair and rework work. This not only takes up a lot of space, but is also quite expensive to purchase. In view of this, the P30 digital power supply is a highly innovative product that only requires the purchase of 1 unit to achieve the work results of 3 devices. Let's introduce the soldering station function of the P30. We have specially customized a soldering iron dormancy base for it. As long as the soldering iron handle is directly inserted into the D210 soldering iron interface on the front of the P30 host, the device will automatically recognize the device within 2 seconds and respond quickly to start heating. It can reach 400 degrees in just 3 seconds, and the rated power can reach 130W. It supports to handle models which are suitable for the D210 soldering iron commonly used for maintenance, and the D115 soldering iron for flying wire precision welding. Whether it is flying wire operation, CPU degumming, or regular welding work, it can fully meet the welding needs. What is particularly critical is that it will automatically heat up when you pick up the handle, and it will automatically sleep when the handle is placed on the dormancy base, which can greatly extend the service life of the heating core. At the same time, once you pick up the soldering iron handle, the display page will automatically jump to the soldering iron page, which can display the set temperature, power, and for groups of temperature groups, you can also set and switch common temperatures with 1 click. The design is very user-friendly.